Good morning, children. This is class 5th EVS book. Let's do reading of lesson 13 Food for Plants and Animals. Both human beings and animals are directly or indirectly dependent upon plants for their food. We get fruits, vegetables, cereals, etc. by growing plants. We get milk, eggs, and meat from animals who eat plants, but plants do not eat food like humans and animals. Their way of taking food is totally different. Food for green plants. Green plants are the only living things that have an ability to make their own food. That is why they are called autotrophs. The process by which the green plants make their food is called photosynthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means putting together. Green plants require three things to make their food: sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water. In the process of photosynthesis, leaves capture the energy of sunlight and use it to make food. Almost all the plant leaves are green because they contain a green colored pigment called chlorophyll, which help them in absorbing the energy of sunlight. Tiny openings on the plant leaves called stomata let carbon dioxide come into the leaf while water is taken in by the plant roots. Chlorophyll, by using the sun's energy, changes the water and carbon dioxide into a sugar called glucose. Plants use this food to live and grow. The process of photosynthesis can be written as carbon dioxide plus water, chlorophyll, sunlight, glucose plus oxygen. Carnivorous plant. There are some plants that eat insects and other small creatures in order to obtain their food. Such plants are called carnivorous or insectivorous plants. They are green plants that grow in the soil which is very poor in minerals. Hence, they fulfill their requirement of deficient nutrition, mainly nitrogen, by eating insects. Some of them are Venus flytrap. This plant has white leaves with short stiff hair on them called trigger. When anything touches these hair enough to bend them, the lobes of the leaves snap shut, trapping whatever is inside. Picture plant. The leaves of pitcher plant are shaped like a pitcher with half closed lid and are filled with a sweet smelling nectar. When an insect lands on it to suck, suck the nectar, it slides down and fall into the liquid and thus get trapped. Animals and their food. Animals are called consumer or heterotrophs because they depend on other living things for their food. Since they cannot make their own food, animals can be classified into five categories on the basis of their food habit. Herbivorous. Herbivores are those animals that eat only plants. Camel, buffalo, cow, goat, etc. are example of herbivores. Carnivores. Carnivores are those animals that kill other animals and eat their flesh. Animals such as lion, tiger, eagle, snake, etc. are examples of carnivores. Thank you, children.